How to use 25 of the most common English phrasal verbs. Let's jump right in. Number 1, add up. Add up. It means to make sense or to seem to be logical or true. Here's the example. People doubted what he was saying because his story wasn't adding up. All right, so adding up right here, we can change that and we can also say his story wasn't making sense. Okay, making sense. That's the same meaning. All right, number 2, blow up. Blow up. It means to become very angry. Here's the example. The woman blew up at her husband when he came home late. All right, so we have right here, blew up. Now, we can say this another way by saying yelled at. All right, so the woman yelled at her husband when he came home late. Or you can also say the woman was angry with. Okay, the woman was angry with, and we'll cancel out this at right here, her husband when he came home late. All right, next one. Number 3, bring up. Bring up. It means to mention something when talking or to start to talk about something. Here's the example. Please don't bring up that topic in the meeting today. So right here we have bring up. It means, or another way of saying that is, please don't mention that topic in the meeting today. All right, number 4, call off. Call off. It means to stop doing or planning to do something. Here's the example. Samantha called off the wedding because she decided she didn't love him. So right here we have called off. And another way of saying that is Samantha stopped the wedding. Okay? Samantha stopped the wedding because she decided she didn't love him. All right, number 5, carry on. Carry on. This means to behave or speak in an excited or foolish way. Here's the example. The kids were carrying on in class, so their teacher started to yell. All right, so we have carrying on right here. Now, one way we can say this is playing. The kids were playing in class. Or you can also say the kids were playing and running around, okay? Running around in class. All right, now let's do a quick review. Here we go. People doubted what he was saying because his story wasn't, you got it, adding up. So again, people doubted what he was saying because his story wasn't adding up or making sense. All right, let's keep going. Number 6, come across. Come across. This means to seem to have a particular quality or character, or to make a particular impression. Here's the example. Stephen came across as a bit bossy. Now, for this one, instead of came across, we can say Stephen seemed a bit bossy. Now, if we use seemed, we have to erase or cancel the as. So, Stephen seemed a bit bossy. The same meaning as came across. All right, number 7, come up with. Come up with. It means to get or think of something that is needed or wanted. Here's the example. We finally came up with a solution to the problem. So in this sentence, came up with can be replaced with we finally realized. Okay, we finally realized or found a solution to the problem. All right, good. Let's keep going. Number 8, fall apart. Fall apart. It means to become unable to live in a normal way because you are experiencing a lot of confusion or emotional pain. Here's the example. After the divorce, he fell apart. Now, for this one right here, instead of fell apart, you can say he broke down because he was very sad after the divorce. All right, number 9, get along. Get along. It means to be or remain friendly. Here's the example. We're not together anymore, but we get along great. All right, so get along is right here. And instead of get along, we can say great friends, okay? Great friends. Now, since we have great right here, we can erase it from here. So, but we are great friends. So let's add the R right here as well. You need to add that in the front, okay? So we cancel out this great and we add R. But we are great friends. All right, number 10, get away. Get away. It means to go away from a place. Here's the example. I've been so busy the last few weeks. I really need to get away for a little while. Now, this get away right here, we can replace it with I really need to leave for a little while, okay? Or I really need to go on vacation for a little while, okay? Get away. All right, now again, let's do a review. Here we go. We're not together anymore, but we, great. What is it? You got it. We're not together anymore, but we get along great. All right, number 11, get over. This means to stop being controlled or bothered by something, such as a problem or feeling. Here's the example. My best friend got over her fear of flying when she went to Japan. So right here we have got over. And another way of saying this is conquered. Okay, the word conquer means to get over. So conquered. All right, let's rewrite this part a little bit. Let's redo this one. Can't really see the Q too clearly. So Q-U-E-R-E-D. Okay, conquered. My best friend conquered her fear of flying when she went to Japan. All right, number 12, give up. Give up. It means to stop an activity or effort, or to admit that you cannot do something and stop trying. Here's the example. My boss gave up smoking on January 1st. So instead of gave up, which is the phrasal verb, you could say my boss stopped smoking on January 1st. It has the same meaning. All right, number 13, go on. Go on. This means to go or travel to a place before another person or group that is with you. Here's the example. We decided to go on to the restaurant since she said that she would be coming late. All right, so for this one, go on, we can say we decided to go ahead, okay? Go ahead to the restaurant, okay? It means going before someone. All right, number 14, hold on. Hold on. This means to succeed in keeping a position, condition, or something else. So here's the example. I will hold on to my job until the end of the year. So right here we have hold on. So we can change this to I will keep my job. So we need to cancel this to right here. All right, very good. Let's keep going. Number 15, look after. Look after. It means to take care of someone or something. All right, here's the example. My mother looked after my grandmother for almost a year. All right, so now what we have right here is looked after. Right here, looked after. Now, another way of saying this is my mother took care of. My mother took care of my grandmother for almost a year or almost a full year. All right, now again, let's do a quick review. My best friend, her fear of flying when she went to Japan. Which phrasal verb is it? You got it. Got over. My best friend got over her fear of flying when she went to Japan. All right, let's keep going. Number 16, look forward to. look forward to. It means to expect something with pleasure. All right, here's the example. William is really looking forward to going on vacation next week. All right, so we have right here, looking forward to. All right, so we can say William is really excited about, okay? Excited about going on vacation next week. All right, number 17, look up. Look up. It means to search for something in a reference book, on the internet, or somewhere else. Here's the example. The teacher told the students to look up the words in the dictionary. All right, so right here we have look up. So we can say find, or we can also say search for, okay? Find or search for the words in the dictionary. All right, great. Number 18, make out. Make out. This means to hear and understand something. All right, here's the example. I couldn't make out what the man was trying to tell me. All right, so instead of make out, we could say, I couldn't understand. Very good. I couldn't understand what the man was trying to tell me. All right, let's keep going. Number 19, pass out. Pass out. It means to fall asleep or become unconscious. All right, here's the example. My grandpa passed out while watching television last night. All right, so we have right here, passed out. And we can replace it with, my grandpa fell asleep while watching television last night. All right, number 20, pull over. Pull over. This means to move a vehicle to the side of the road and stop. Here's the example. She had to pull over the car after they got a flat tire. All right, so right here we have pull over. So instead of pull over, you could say she had to stop on the side of the road. Pretty long, huh? She had to stop on the side of the road. So instead of saying this, we use pull over, but they're the same meaning. All right, let's look at our example. Let's review. The teacher told the students to the words in the dictionary. What's the answer? You got it. Look up. The teacher told the students to look up the words in the dictionary. Great job. All right, number 21, put down. Put down. It means to give an amount of money as a first payment when you are buying something that costs a lot of money. All right, here's the example. My husband and I are going to put down some money to buy that house in the center of town. So we have right here, put down. Now, another way you can say it in this example is, my husband and I are going to give or pay a down payment. Okay, this is in relation to houses for the mortgage. Pay a down payment to buy that house. So we don't need this if we use this right here. Okay, all right, very good job. Let's keep going. Number 22, put off. Put off. It means to decide that something will happen at a later time or to postpone. So here's the example. The manager decided to put off the project until the end of the year. So right here we have put off, and instead of that we can just say the manager decided to postpone the project until the end of the year. Great job. 23, put up with. Put up with. It means to allow someone or something unpleasant or annoying to exist or happen. Here's the example. Their mother won't put up with them fighting each other. All right, so we have put up with. Now, another way of saying this in English is stand. Okay, stand. It means to endure or to deal with. Their mother won't stand them fighting each other. All right, number 24. Turn up. turn up. It means to be found usually unexpectedly. All right, so here's the example. His phone suddenly turned up in his bedroom. So we have turned up right here. And another way of saying that is his phone suddenly appeared or showed up in his bedroom. All right, number 25, watch out. Watch out. It means to be aware of something dangerous. Here's the example. Watch out in the mountain. There are bears there. All right, so right here we have watch out. And another way we can say it is be careful. Let's fix the C. Be careful in the mountain. There are bears there. Okay, let's review. Their mother won't with them fighting each other. What's the answer? You got it. Put up. So their mother won't put up with them fighting each other. Now, if you want to continue studying with me, go to speakenglishwithtiffani.com/ebooks to get one of my ebooks and continue studying English. Or you can go to speakenglishwithtiffani.com/courses to study one of my English courses. Remember to look on the left side of your screen and watch my next English video lesson. Until next time, remember to study English.